everyone, it's Julia from Cake Julia Cake. I'm here at the McCall's kitchen today to show you guys how to make an easy Christmas tree cake that you can gift to your loved ones or just make for yourself for this holiday season because Christmas is around the corner. Please follow along and also please like and subscribe to our channel to check out more videos, and let's get to it. Some ingredients and tools you'll be needing for the cake today is some fun Christmas sprinkles that I got from the McCall store, an offset spatula, a piping bag with a large star tip, and I already pre-filled this piping bag with some green food coloring. I added 2 drops of this leaf green McCall gel food coloring, a tweezer to add the sprinkles on the cake, and extra buttercream on the side to make the snow effect. So let's get to it. So first, you want to take your offset spatula and just put the buttercream on the cake. Just want to spread it. This doesn't have to be even. You can have fun with it because we're going to be making the snow effect. And now that there has been full coverage on your cake, you want to use the same spatula and start dabbing the cake to make the snow effect. Okay, and this is my finished product for the snow. I'm super happy with how it came out. Now you want to take the edible white glitter from McCalls. I use this on almost all my cakes, by the way. I love this, it's so good, and it's the perfect glitter to make it look frosty. So you just want to sprinkle the glitter on the top of the cake. So it's all good. Okay, so this is my finished product with the glitter. Now you want to take the piping bag with the star tip and you want to start at the bottom of your cake, whichever side you like. You just want to start at the bottom of the cake. You want to pipe onto the cake and drag up just like that. And you want to do it 5 times. And that's how it's supposed to look. It doesn't have to look perfect as well. And then now you want to start from the inner corner and we're going to be making it more of like a pyramid shape. Okay, and that's how you get the nice Christmas tree look to it. And all you need to do now is have fun with it. You just get your sprinkles and tweezers. Now you want to take your tweezer and start decorating your tree. So here I'm using the Christmas confetti. I'm just going to be placing the reds. So I'm really happy with how my tree came out, but it's not quite done yet. I just need to clean up really quickly and show you guys the final steps in just a few seconds. So we're back and I'll be showing you how to put the centerpiece for your tree. So right here I have some pre-made royal icing Christmas decor from McCalls. You can find all of these decors in their store as well or online in the link below. And today I'll be using the snowflake here. So I just want to grab it with my tweezers, just plop it on the top. This is how my Christmas tree cake turned out, and we'd love to see how your creation turned out as well. So please tag us on Instagram at McCall Bakers or Cake Julia Cake. And also give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be having a lot more fun holiday cake creation videos coming out shortly. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays!